What's up, Ecomi Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Omi coin, my friends. What's going on this time in Omi? A lot of people ask me questions that can Ecomi will make us millionaire or not? Absolutely, my friends. This update is very urgent, and if you never miss this update, my friends, never miss. If you miss, you're on the loss. If you don't miss, so absolutely you will get profit, my friends. So friends, if you look the latest price of the Omi coin this time in the market, so 0.002484 USD dollar is the currently price of the Omi coin. On the other side, if you look the price change of the Omi coin, so the last 1 hour price is positive, last 1 day price is negative, last 1 week price is positive, my friends. Only the yesterday a little fast open Omi coin, but that's not meaning you decide to sell, my friends. As you can see here in the start of the start a good jump, but unfortunately after some time now they start jumping. As I show you that the last 1 hour price is positive, so that's mean that they start jumping at this time in the market. So you have to hold, my friends. Don't decide to sell when you see a small fall, so you decide to sell. No, that's a mistake. It's a mistake of all holders. Don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. Keep watch ABS section for more guidelines about cryptocurrencies market, my friends. If we look the last 1 week price change occur in the Omi coin, so positive 2.77% positive change occur, and the highest price is 0.002871 USD dollar, my friends. That is the highest price of Omi coin. My personal recommendation, my personal prediction about Omi coin is 100% positive, and I believe that the huge pump of the Omi coin are coming soon. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.